students, I'm Angel from St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. In this video, let us see what are sentences, how are sentences framed, and what are the different kinds of sentences. A sentence is going to be a group of words that makes a complete sense. Usually, a sentence stands with a combination of both subject and a verb. So, a simple statement is sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. So, here I have given an example. Blue is sky thee. So, these are also a group of words, but does the statement give a meaning? No. So, by rearranging the statement, we are getting a proper meaning. So, these are perfect sentences. And next, it should be in a subject and a verb combination. And for certain exceptional cases, we need not have subject visible over there. So, invisible subject also makes the statement clear. So, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Usually, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends up with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. So, as a part 2, let us see what are the different kinds of sentences. Here we have altogether 4 different kinds of sentences. The first one is assertive sentence, and the second one is interrogative sentence, and the third one is exclamatory sentence, and the final one is imperative sentences. So the first one, coming to the assertive sentence, it is also called as declarative sentence, which means that the sentence declares something, and these are going to be an actual fact. So usually this sentence ends with a full stop. As an example, I have given 2 and 2 makes 4. So these are all facts. 2 and 2 makes 4, and these are all facts, and all the statements comes under the assertive sentence or declarative sentence. And next comes interrogative sentence. These sentences are also called as questioning sentences, where the sentence ends with a question mark. I have given certain examples and you can see over it. Are you feeling hungry? How are you? So this doesn't mean, questioning sentence doesn't mean that only WH question should be there. So all the questioning sentence comes under interrogative sentences. And third comes exclamatory sentences. So these are sentences that expresses sudden feeling or emotion, might be a sad feeling or a happy feeling, that doesn't count. So these are sudden feelings, expression of sudden feelings and emotions. Usually exclamation sentence ends with an exclamation mark. So I have given examples. You can see this is a huge fish. Next comes imperative sentences. So these sentences are used in the occurrence of making a command, a request, order or a suggestion. Usually the sentence ends with a full stop. As an example I have given, please open the window. So please is making a request, right? So in all this occurrence, all this occurrence will be using imperative sentences. And as a part 3, let us have a few exercise part to check out ourselves. I have given 6 statements here. You can mark it out with the own punctuation mark, and you can name what kind of sentences they are. And following it, I have also given the answer for those 6 sentences. You can check out the answers. And as a final part, let us summarize what we have been seeing in the video from the beginning. A sentence is going to be a group of words that makes a complete sense. Usually a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. And usually a sentence gives a meaning. We saw 4 different kinds of sentences. First one is assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and finally we saw about imperative sentences. Assertive sentences were also called as declarative sentences, and next interrogative sentences were also called as questioning sentences. Exclamatory sentences expresses a certain feeling or emotion, might be a sad or a happy. Imperative sentences takes place when making a request or a command. Thank you. Students, I am Angel from St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Kadalur. In this video, let us see what are sentences, how are sentences